Hello everyone, welcome back to CraftLoaded. Today, we're continuing the M4A1 Block II FSP project with part 2. Before we get into the tutorial, let me show you some of the features of this build. First, the upper receiver can be opened by pulling the charging handle, revealing the inside and allowing the dust cover to open as part of the build. The upper receiver can also be detached from the lower receiver by removing the connecting pins, allowing the two main sections to be separated just like the design it's based on. Moving to the rear, we have the SOPMOD style stock. The stock is adjustable, so you can change its length by pressing the adjustment button underneath and sliding it into the position you want. And that's a quick look at some of the features of this M4A1 Block II FSP. Before the tutorial, make sure to download the printable A4 templates from the link in the video description. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Prepare a paper tube with a length of 17.2 cm and a diameter of 2.4 cm, according to the template. Step 2. Prepare template number 1. Step 3. Attach template number 1 to the top of the paper tube. Step 4. Prepare template number 2. Step 5. Attach template number 2 to the bottom of the paper tube. Adjust its width to match the M4 lower receiver that was built in the previous video. Step 6. Prepare templates number 3 and 4. Step 7. Layer template number 4 on top of template No. 3, then attach the assembled piece to one side of the receiver to create the exterior shape of the ejection port area. Step 8. Attach template No. 5 behind the ejection port area as a decorative detail representing the brass deflector. Step 9. Prepare two pieces of template No. 6 and attach one to each side of the rear section. Step 10. Prepare templates number 7 and 8, along with the paper tube and decorative components. Step 11. Assemble the pieces as shown in the video, then attach them to the rear section to complete the exterior detailing. Step 12. Attach templates No. 9 and 10 to the opposite side as shown in the video. Add the cardboard pieces according to the measurements shown on screen. Step 13. Create the necessary non-functional openings and exterior details for the charging handle area and magazine well area, following the template. Bolt and upper receiver section. Step 14. Prepare a paper tube according to the required dimensions. Add the template piece to create the exterior shape of the bolt area, then attach the decorative bolt head to the front. Step 15. Attach templates No. 12 and 13 to the top of the bolt assembly. Step 16. Prepare templates number 14, 15, and 16. Step 17. Layer the pieces in order, starting with template number 14, followed by number 15, and then number 16 on top. Step 18. Attach template No. 17 to the rear end of the assembled piece to complete the exterior detailing. Step 19. Attach template No. 17 to the top of the upper receiver as shown in the video. Step 20. Attach the Picatinny rail to the top of template number 17. A complete Picatinny rail tutorial is available on my YouTube channel, or through the link in the description. Step 21. Attach two paper tube pieces to the bottom of the upper receiver as decorative alignment details for connecting the upper and lower receiver. Step 22. Add small rubber or cardboard details around the carry handle area and the rear section, then attach the completed pieces to the upper receiver as shown in the video. Stock section. Step 23. Prepare two pieces of template number 18 and a 1.2 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 24. Attach the cardboard strip between the two pieces of template number 18 to create the main structure. Step 25. Prepare template No. 19 and a 6 mm wide cardboard strip. Step 26. Attach the cardboard strip between the two pieces of template No. 19, then attach the assembled section to template number 18 as shown in the video. Step 27. Attach a 2 mm thick cardboard strip, 1.5 cm wide, to the bottom of template number 19. Step 28. Attach a small cardboard box-like piece to the top as shown in the video. Step 29. Attach template number 20 to the rear section. Step 30. Add the detailing from template number 21 along with the additional cardboard pieces. Step 31. Prepare template number 22 and a 1.8 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 32. Attach the cardboard strip between the two pieces of template number 22. Step 33. Use a pin to connect the assembled sections as shown in the video. Step 34. Prepare the paper pieces and spring according to the dimensions provided in the template. Step 35. Assemble the pieces as shown in the video. Insert the longer pin through the designated section of template number 18, then position the larger paper piece around template number 18. Add the pin and spring assembly, followed by the smaller paper piece near template number 22. Make sure this piece does not become attached to template number 22. This assembly creates the non-functional stock locking detail. Step 36. Prepare 2 paper tubes, each 16.7 cm long and 2 cm in diameter, and attach them to both sides of the stock. Step 37. Attach another paper tube along the upper center section of the stock, matching it with the buffer tube from part 1. Step 38. Cover the paper tube with template number 23, then cut several small paper tube sections according to the dimensions and shape of template number 23. Step 39. Attach template number 24 to the recessed area at the rear of the stock. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. Step 40. Attach the butt stock pad to the rear of the stock using the recommended material. Step 41. Prepare the dust cover detail, a pin, a spring, a small paper tube, and the required connector pieces. Step 42. Assemble the pieces as shown in the video to complete the exterior detailing. Step 43. Connect the upper receiver using the pins, then insert the stock into the buffer tube. Thank you so much for watching part 2. I hope you enjoyed the build and the features of this M4A1 Block II FSP. Stay tuned for part 3 of this project coming soon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.